For I tell you, nothing dies. You cannot die. For I have seen the immortal man that cannot die, and he is housed in everyone. When the man is called dead, it's only the departure of the one in whom there is life. When the man is called dead, it's only the departure of the one in whom there is life. The man of imagination departs a moment from the little garment of flesh. Everything here dies. So awake, O sleepers, and rise from the dead. So try now to exercise him. Become familiar with him, and one day when you least expect it, he arrives with such dramatic suddenness that you have no time to observe him. You can't observe his coming. He comes so suddenly within you. The wind, just a strange, peculiar, unearthly wind, and you feel yourself waking, waking, waking. You wake in this grave that was the coffin that was placed in Egypt. In the beginning, God, in a coffin in Egypt. You wake within this tomb and you do not, blank space, know how you got there, who put you there, or where you were put there, or when you were put there. Now all of a sudden you awake. And then you come out. And you're born from above just as told you in Scripture. Until that day comes, believe me, that the one that I've just introduced you to is the only true Jesus Christ, the only God of the world. There is no other God. All that you behold, though it appears without, it is within. In your own wonderful human imagination, of which this world of mortality is but a shadow. Blake, Jerusalem, plate 71.